public. Good morning everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I'm in Shenzhen now, the south city of China. And when you Google search it, when you Google Shenzhen, what do you see? The shiny skyscrapers, the flying drones, and the AI robots, right? But that's only the half story of Shenzhen. Today I'm taking you to another side of Shenzhen, an urban village. This is the early morning. This place is alive. People set up temporary stalls, and it's loud, messy. It smells like the fresh earth and the hot breakfast. Let's hang around in this area. I think that's a totally different impression. When you imagine Shenzhen is the skyscrapers, but this place totally different. Maybe people here are sensitive about the camera. So I have my secret weapon. I just bought it. If you see my earlier video. That's the AI glass. maybe if I feel people sensitive, I will use this. Let's go. Wow. Wow, the fish. Banana and the pork, the raw pork. Fresh chopped meat right on the street. Seeing this raw, unfiltered cuts of pork and beef so early in the morning, it is the most grounded, authentic Chinese experience you can get. Wow, a breakfast store. That's a very typical southern area of China breakfast. 肠粉. I don't know how to say it in English. Let's have some, okay? 这老板呢？没有人。I can't find the seller. 您好，这肠粉是在这儿是吧？对。这边坐那边吃。要个淡的。淡肠的。对。一个。这边吃。好。这边吃啊？这边吃。这边吃过去隔壁这淡肠哈。这个是什么呀？米浆，大米磨的米浆。米浆 ，make of rice. This is rice. 干瘦肠哈。在这儿吃，好嘞，谢谢。好嘞，谢谢。哇。I think this is the local breakfast store. Simple, local, and authentic. 6 yuan for this one. Let me try. Yeah, delicious. Oh, this is the shrimp. The shrimp, made of shrimp, I think. This one to add the salty flavor to the dish. Because this one, there's no salty inside. And the rice is thin. You already filmed how they make it. Very thin, the rice. What's this? Chili, I think. Yeah, this is chili. But I don't know how they make it. Oh, very spicy. Oh. This chili feels wet. Do you know what I mean? Wet. We eat a lot of dry chili. This one is the white one. You can feel it. Oh, very spicy. Strong flavor. Finish it. Okay, let's continue. The chili is so delicious, so good, so I want to buy it.
自己装的，这个那么多用的自己用的。
好嘞，谢谢您，老板，谢谢啊，谢谢，哎，you know, I've tried Changfen in Guangzhou, another city of Guangdong, and I'm not a big fan of it. But this store, I think their Changfen is very delicious, especially with this chili. And I just give it a shot to ask the owner that if they sell this, and they are homemade. You see the couple, yeah, they are the owner of the store, and they said, okay, I will sell you. Yeah, so I bought 3 bottles. Oh, I like it. 15 yuan for 1 bottle. 15 yuan. Wow. Best chili ever. Better than the Sichuan pepper. Yeah, better than the Sichuan hot pot and Beijing oil chili. Better. This one is the better. Wow, I like this local place. You know, the authentic place. We explore this place. Not the skyscrapers I filmed a few days ago. You've seen my video. This is where Shenzhen people actually live. Yeah. Wow, the duck. Wow. Look, wow, this narrow alley. 公共晾晒点。It means the public place to hang up your wet clothes, to dry your clothes here. Oh. I bet you've never seen Shenzhen like this. Only from my video. I'm a really good traveler. You know why this place called urban village? I describe this place as urban village because we are in the downtown Shenzhen, the center of Shenzhen, only 5 kilometers from the skyscrapers. And this area, they have the robotaxi, so we can hail in the robotaxi. But hidden behind all these skyscrapers, this is the urban village. 谢谢。 Wow, see, it's modern buildings, old buildings. Oh, cat. You might be wondering, how does a gritty place like this still exist right next to the billion-dollar tech companies? I think this is the real engine of Shenzhen. Millions of dreamers came to this place, built this city, but some of them maybe cannot afford the fancy apartment. They live here in these tight, crowded alleys. They eat the cheap but delicious street food. If the robotaxi and the drones are the brain of Shenzhen, I think these people, they are the heartbeat of Shenzhen. Which side of Shenzhen do you prefer? The cyberpunk future or the sweaty, crowded reality? Tell me in the comments. Right now, I'm at the airport of Shenzhen. We'll go back Beijing very soon. I think Shenzhen's explosive didn't happen by accident. It was built on the national support and the absolute determination. The biggest difference between Beijing and Shenzhen is that they are both incredibly unique. In fact, they represent the two absolute extremes of China. Beijing's keyword is safety. Everything must be in perfect order. There's zero room for error. But Shenzhen's keyword is innovation. This city is fearless, new tech, crazy experiments, and the pilot programs. This city is the ultimate testing ground. If something fails, no big deal. If the user experience isn't great, just scrap it and start over. And because of this, Shenzhen has gathered the most open-minded companies and the hardest working people in the country. Technically, there is no chill life in Shenzhen, only hustling and making money. But maybe as more and more Shenzhen locals are born, this city will be changed. They will make this fast-paced machine feels like a real hometown. And with that, my future city Shenzhen series comes to an end. What do you think about Shenzhen? If you visit China, would you add it to your travel list? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you in Beijing. Bye bye.